Welcome to a new video. Tricks curious and worth knowing. Today I'm fine. And in this video I want to show you how you can make a garlic lemon cure. How? Here the drink for the garlic lemons cure I show you in this video. Everything you need. Lemons. Best video. Lemons and a piece of ginger and naturally. Garlic. You also need a mixer to listen to the whole thing. With the garlic lemons you can lower your blood pressure and yours. Clean arteries. But even those who feel constantly tired and limp want to clean their livers or want to do something for the thyroid gland as the garlic lemons. Choir. Just perfect. Because this cure brings fresh impetus back into the body. In the meantime you can subscribe to my channel and activate the bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. Until now.
Bis gleich.
Normally I always recommend that 3K2. Consuming magnesium and B12 daily, which is of course very important because these vitamins are actually the most important ones that should be consumed every day. I have linked them below again in the article description so that you can take a closer look at them. I also made more videos and the 2 is the 3 is very important for your body, for example. Just like K2. What is important for bone building? And B12 of course for the brain so that the brain doesn't dry out and you don't get dementia. Magnesium. Every body also needs and is important so that the body can accommodate the 3 at all. But now we come to the garlic lemon choir. What level are 4 lemons? Actually 3 large bulbs of garlic, but I have smaller ones here now. That's why I took 5 and a piece of ginger, which in this case is too big as we just cut a piece. That's enough for you. To make the garlic lemons small in the drink. Furthermore, it is not bad. Pack some chili. You can take it ground or you can also get fresh chili peppers. Confuse in your mixa. I'll take 2 with it so that it is not too spicy. Now let's start filling the mixer. You should definitely make sure that you take organic lemon because you can whack the whole thing with a bowl. Of course you should still wash it beforehand. The parents can cut her off. The whole thing is now in the mixer now. You can still profile the rough garlic. If the damage is not that bad then the whole thing will be complete. After 79 is just in the middle of it. Is the mixa. By the way, you should take this course for about 6 weeks, then a break in the whole thing after 6 weeks. So repeat every time you get tired or exhausted. You should feel like pulling through a garlic lemon. This will bring your body to swing again in time. Now autumn starts, November starts, and your vitamin D stores are no longer there because the foreman only last until about 4 to 6 weeks after the sun is no longer there, so it only has an effect with vitamin D, so your body can only absorb it as if the sun is at least 45 degrees, so the animal can recognize when your shadow is longer than as your body, then the sun is too deep and you cannot go to take in and your body can only store vitamin D for 6 to 8 weeks. That means from mid-November you have no more with him in the body and you become aware of the impact of the winter time, and therefore you should speak or, best of all, start with the garlic lemon cure beforehand so that your body gains strength and many defenses. If you have any questions, just write them to me in the comments below and I will try to answer them as soon as possible. Actually, I do something daily. If it shouldn't be, then the next day at the latest, as you see. Our mixture is ready for now. Nice garlic, chili, ginger and lemon. Owns again to come back to the vitamin D that your body can absorb again from the end of April, then the sun is high enough so that your body again. So from the end of April to the end of September it is possible that in our latitudes it is only possible in other latitudes, all the more southern, or we say in the closer you get to the equator, the different it is. Of course, people who live at the equator do not need to take vitamin D, for whom it is commonplace and they can always take it in, but we absolutely have to take vitamin D. So now we add a liter of water to the whole mixture. Put it on our mixer and give it all the power. If you didn't have a mix, by the way, I gave you a look at the item description below with a feeling you can take a closer look, so I'm very happy with it. So, and as you can see, we now have a nice building, so to speak. The garlic is drinking lemon, but it is not yet finished now. We go back to the army because we need a pot in which we pour everything. And now heat it lightly. Take care that it must not boil under any circumstances. It can only be slightly heated. Best you always stir it a little, so that it does not start to boil, because otherwise he will make the whole crowded or drink. If you then made it hot, you should take it out and over a victory nice from 7. The wiggles me a little with the sieve, the liquid goes through and the mass remains in it. You do not have to throw away or pour the rest of the mass away. You could keep it in a sealed mason jar in the fridge, and you can give your salads new momentum. This method with the victory, I found out that it is the best around. to separate the liquid from the mass. Everything else is too complex and takes too long, and you see the liquid goes really well. The crowd out. If a little of the mass that gets into the liquid rind is not so bad, if you can of course have a hard time, you of course know the whole thing. Not 7, then you can also drink the entire mass. The important thing is that he drinks a glass of it every morning before breakfast. You can try it if you like it with the mass, because that's it, then it's very tough. If it is not a problem most people is missing, but write me in the comments as you prefer it. Filtered, or whether he already knows it or has tried it at all. Or whether it is complete with the whole mass together. 10. Especially if a bit in the old days, what goes over 50 or about 50, you should start slowly with such a to take a drink, or to take care of your arteries so that they are open again, because if they are closed, you know it is. Follow a heart attack, stroke, and so on. It is absolutely essential for the child to do so if the child is doing it. You also yours. Bacteria-free again, and what I said earlier, what you should take in connection with vitamin D3. Or let's say what I can highly recommend to you, and we are coming to the end, the pot is almost now empty. You see, this method is right. Effective and goes really quickly. So you need a little sieve, which is a little bigger so that you can swivel nicely. So as I said, you can now use this remaining mass. Fill a mason jar and you can garnish your salad or make your sauce or even envelopes of it. That's ours. Lemon garlic drinks we want to use, and I always take this music laser here, the instruments, and fill the juice into it. Glasses, and drink a shot glass of it every morning. Be sure to put the glasses in the fridge so that they are cool and dark. Now it is still warm, to let them cool down briefly. You close them and put them in the fridge. With that, and what I want to say is, if you are pregnant, you should definitely not take this cure during breastfeeding. Even if he feels unwell after taking it, or if you feel bad after a few days, you should stop the cure. As I said, drink a shot glass every morning when you're garlic. Lemon's drink is empty. He takes a break of about 6 weeks, and then you repeat the whole thing again, and you will see after that you will fill your pot again properly, because your body gets new momentum and the spirits are awakened again. Write me in the comments if you have already done such a cure. If you have done it, write me how you felt about it. Went after that. If you were really better after that, if she helped you, and so on. If you have any questions, of course write me in the comments below. Otherwise, I would be happy to make it easier for you if the post helped you further and liked it. Missed me? The best thing is to activate your body soon.